Good day, viewers. If you are out there watching, you can still see we are still in Italy right now. See on our Euro tour. I want to use this medium to express my profound gratitude to God Almighty on behalf of People Freedom Movement. That we are very grateful to God. God has been beside us. We are almost getting to the conclusive part of the third Euro tour, first in the history of People Freedom Movement. So we are appreciating God, at the same time appreciating the Italian government for the impeccable job that they have been doing. So we thank the Italian Parliament, we thank the Italian police, we thank also the Italian Interpol. So we thank them for how they provided security for our mega comrade, even right from Rome. The first day we did our peaceful protest. I know the enemy have been trying, particularly I wonder why those people's names should be mentioned all the time. That they have been making several attempts to assassinate our beloved mega comrade, who came to bring about what corruption, the awareness about what corruption has caused in our society. How corruption has put us in a state of political demagogue. So we have been praying seriously that every person behind all these barbaric acts will be brought to book. And I want to let you all know that the information reaching out right now, the law enforcement agency of Italy just called a mega comrade so that they investigated on some issue and a Nigerian man have been caught. And they happen to mention Tony Kabaka Adun that it is the one. But I wonder why Tony Kabaka should fly down to Italy when he knows that a mega comrade right now is on ground. And he knows quite all right that he is gathered with law enforcement agency in collaboration with Air Force One. So we are giving you this information, and this information is right now. Tony Kabaka Adun is in the custody of the police. Our prayer for him that whatever persecution they are persecuting him for, God will give him the grace to be free. But if he's guilty of anything, sorry to say that he have to pay the charges. So the whole thing is still in process, but we are going to be giving you updates about how it goes. So for those of you who are out there, we do tell people, PFM is not anybody's business. Let Edo people stay away from PFM. Imagine Italian, for those of you who haven't watched what happened yesterday, about the Esan community, Esan cultural forum, what they did, you see, our mega comrades single-handedly, could you know they have to call America? About 22 force on uniform was with us yesterday, so the whole place was jam-packed. Even me myself that was wearing PFM shirt, being the PRO of this great movement, I was called to cautioning. I told the one, I said, don't you know this guy? The PRO, that was how. So I wonder why we should kind of, when we are being warned about something, we should choose to do what's in our heart. So this is just the 21st century. Everybody should mind your damn business. If you are still out there planning one or two things to do, I want to use this medium on behalf of People Freedom Movement to appeal to all Benin people. Look at what the Asian community, what they did yesterday. It was marvelous. When we the Edos come out unanimously and draw one rope, and that thing is successfully done. So let's stop all these things we are doing. We thank God for the life of our mega comrade, the president and founder of People Freedom Movement, that all the plan the enemy have been planning have failed. And I want to appreciate for our Edo people, our traditional rulers who have been praying by one way or the other, our pastors who have been praying by one way or the other, that anybody that want to draw a mega comrade, that person will fall for him to climb. So that's what you are going to be saying. So you cannot give more, you cannot get more than what you can give. So he is trying to give awareness. So that awareness in reciprocating should also be given back to him. So he said, whatsoever a man sow, that is a rape. So anyone that so evil by one way or the other. I told you before that the changes of Edo State situation and Nigeria situation started from the very day the peaceful protest we held in Rome. It was successful. There are some group of people who are political cabal, who are political terrorists. They intend to make themselves available to be used. My prayer for everyone is that every reprobate heart that Pharaoh was having, that made Pharaoh perish inside the sea, that God should take it away from our lives. So if you are still out there having a reprobate heart, have a change of mind. I trust our mega comrade. He never want any of his Edo people to suffer. He never wanted. He never wanted anybody to be persecuted. But if you make yourself available, my dear, you are going to be crushed land like an alligator. That's just the fact. So do not try to see how you try and you are trying is not working. Don't forget about it. You must not have to win all the time. Sometimes you lose. You try to bring down the movement and it's not working for you. Forget about it. So there's no need of maybe you try this, come out on social media, begin to rant, doing all of things and all that, you know. So it doesn't really mean anything. So the most breaking news today is that Tony Kabaka Adun have been arrested by Italian secret police. Tony Kabaka Adun. I know that. And he also made a confession that Governor Obaseki is the one sponsoring him. So I think in my last, you know, we intimidate people. After all, with this guy to come and be talking about. So, see, I told you before, inside the ridiculous light, the miracle, Moses that God sent to go and deliver the children of Israel out of Egypt. His mother gave birth to him and he was kept inside the water. He was kept in the river. You understand what I'm saying? So it was kept there. So a lot of you feel, where Edegbe was not a governor in Edo State, he does not come from a royal family, how will he not give birth to his son, called Iranomigo Clement, to come and deliver Edo State? You are catching it wrong. I do tell us, okay now, let me tell you, this thing will blow your mind. What does the rod have to do with the Red Sea when God told Moses, what is that? I said, rod, stretch it, and the Red Sea got divided. Let's walk in the ridiculous. If you are able to walk through the ridiculous, then lies the miraculous. The people that are going to change the Nigeria or the world situation, they are not from the palace. They are not from the rich home. These are men that were brought out from the concrete. These are men that nobody recognized them. So if Clementine Amigo Edegbe, Professor Mega Comrade Clementine Amigo Edegbe, should stand up and he was giving about 20 secret Italian Interpols for our president to get such an Interpol, I think the Nigeria Treasury will be running, about 20% will go away from Nigeria Treasury. Ask any of these diplomats who do come. They pay for all these things. But everything was given free. Do you know why? Because they study him, they know that what he's doing is right. And mind you, Italian government, they are interested about the situation our poor people are facing. We've been able to make them to know that all these people you see in the street constituting nuisance, not that they want to do it. All these people you see that they want to always die in the Mediterranean Sea, not that they want to die, we love the land. Everybody want to live land. According to Spanish, todo el mundo quiere vivir. Nadie quiere morir. So nobody wants to die. But at the time people begin to risk their life, know that something is chasing them out of their house. So Italian police are already aware. If you are still out there, you are senator. You see what is happening now. The freedom has started. And those of you that are still planning one way or the other, you are going to be brought to book. It is not held that they can keep. So there is nothing you will do against an amigo that is going to work. It's not going to work. It is better right now you got repented. I'm telling you from the diaspora. It will be better right now you got repented. Because this same heart that a lot of people have right now, this was the same heart Pharaoh was having. After he even let the children of Israel out of Egypt, he said no. He later realized, no, how will I let them to go? He hold me. If my neighbor come here and say, I let Moses when me brought up from this palace, Stamara for that matter, then he ran towards Moses. What happened? They all sank in the Red Sea. So as many that want to sank in the Red Sea, keep on chasing Amigo and his follower. So he have just started. And mind you, if these people, for those of you that deal with human trafficking, they will go, you want to carry them to Nigeria. This one is worse than human trafficking. We want to cause sanity. We want to cause sanitation to all countries in the world. And right now, the Italian Interpols, for your information, you don't know now, you know, they are in collaboration with Officer Clementine Amigo Edegbe. They love what he's doing. So if you are out there, I'm advising you right now, you are my dope brother. I never want anything to happen to you. If you have been practicing registration rascality, if you are the one who break button your head on the street, respect yourself and hide yourself. You can live better the life outside this thing you think you are doing right now. So let's try to join hands together to see how we can be able to change our society for good. Is that the Interpol are now involved and Tony Kabaka is still talking, confessing. You got me right. So he's still confessing. He may also confess you tomorrow. So you have already mentioned about. I told His Excellency that let me give him respect, despite the fact that he have not really put himself well in the right proportion of land. Governor Obaseki, stop associating yourself with all these people, all these vagabonds. He will never listen. Must I be a senator first before I will advise you and you listen? Must my father become somebody where they hear of I know a lot of people is going to start looking for me. You cannot do me anything. The worst can happen. I don't come Nigeria again. I'll go and declare Togo. They know you can catch me. If you think you can catch Jesus, then you can catch me. So I'm saying right here, right now, if you have been working with all this vampire gang, we're telling you to repent. Because the Interpol, if they can come to Nigeria to come and survey, know how they tell you people till they swear before they carry them go abroad. Why do you think they will look for you that are practicing cultism? I'm not against whatever you practice. But do it in a responsible manner. I've joined a gang. What is my gang? People Freedom Movement. We are not violent movement. We are the most peacekeeping people. We haven't destroyed any property.